Hello. So, day 4 na tayo or module number 4 na tayo para sa strategic business analysis. So, itong uh, module number 4, nagko-concentrate yan sa delivery cycle time, throughput time, and manufacturing cycle efficiency. So, dyan ikot yung lesson natin ngayon. Maikli lang to, no? Bilis lang natin to matatapos. So, ano ba yung delivery cycle time? It's the amount of time from when the order is received from a customer to when the completed order is shipped. Yan. So, kapag naka-receive ka ng order, hanggang sa i-process mo, hanggang sa deliver mo yung order niya. 'Di ba? So, lahat yan. So, lahat ng ito under ng delivery cycle time. Mula sa ma-receive mo yung order ng customer, syempre mag-aantay pa yan hanggang sa i-process mo, inspect mo, ilipat mo. Yan, hanggang sa queue time is pila yan, no? Pila or pag-aantay din yan, queue time. Hanggang sa ma-ship na yan sa customer. Lahat yan kasama sa delivery cycle time. Throughput time or manufacturing cycle time. Ano naman yan? The amount of time required to turn raw materials into completed products. Yan. So, ito from the start ng production dito hanggang sa ma-ship mo yung goods or yung order ng customer. So, start na yung process time hanggang sa ma-ship mo yung goods sa customer. So, may arrow naman dyan sa baba. Ito. Diba? Hanggang dito. And manufacturing cycle efficiency. So, ano ba yung manufacturing cycle efficiency? Measures the proportion of production time spent on value-added activities. So, alamin muna natin ano yung value-added and non-value-added activities. So, actually, iisa lang yung value-added activity natin. So, ano ba yung value-added activity muna? Ito yung nag-add ng value. Kaya nga value-added. Diba? Adds value or quality to the product. Yan. Adds value or quality to the product. Yung non-value-added naman, hindi siya nag-add ng value. Pero kailangan ba? Yes, kailangan yun. Pero hindi naman siya nag-add ng value. So, anong ginagawa? So, ang ginagawa natin, ang goal is as much as possible is to reduce non-value added activities. Yan. Di ba napag-aralan nyo na rin yan sa activity-based management? Yan. As much as possible, reduce non-value added activities. Yan. Bawasan kung hindi man ma-eliminate. Usually, yung mga non-value added activities, necessary yan. Di ba? But ang mission is we are to reduce those activities para ma-reduce din yung cost sa mga yun. Kasi hindi naman nag-add ng value to the product. So, process time lang ha. Process time lang yung value-added time. And the rest, yung wait time, non-value-added inspection, non-value-added move time, non-value-added and queue time, non-value-added. Yan. So, andito yung mga definition, di ba? Definition kung ano yung mga yan. So, you can read that, no? Actually, nasa pangalan naman eh. Kaya di nyo nabasahin. Pero syempre, basahin nyo pa din. So, let's go to the illustrations. So, example number 1. Yan. Papasa ka. Di ba? Papasa ka. Yes, papasa ka. So, first requirement is throughput time. So, ano yung throughput time? From the production up to ma-ship yung goods, di ba? Hindi kasama si wait time. So, ito lang hindi kasama si wait time. So, add mo yan lahat. Oh. Yan. 0.2, 1.3, 0.8, 6.9. So, yun lang yun. meron kang 9.2 days na throughput time. Diba? Simple-simple. Dali-dali. Next, letter B, manufacturing cycle efficiency. So, ano yung manufacturing cycle efficiency? Ito yung percentage ng value added time sa throughput time. Or simply divide process time sa throughput time. So, process time is 1.3. Diba? So, 1.3. Throughput time, 9.2. So, 1.3 divided by 9.2. Yan, manufacturing cycle efficiency is 0.14 or 14%. Yan. Ganun ka. Ganun ang percentage ng value added time sa production mo. So, anong mas gusto mo? Siyempre, mas gusto mo na mas mataas yung manufacturing cycle efficiency mo. So, the higher the manufacturing efficiency, the better. Diba? Letter C, percentage of the production time spent in non-value added activities. So, ayan, 100% minus manufacturing cycle efficiency, which is 86%. Or you can add yung inspection time, move time, and queue time. Siyempre, hindi kasama si process time kasi value added yan. So, ilan ang total nun? 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 6.9, which is 7.9 divided by yung throughput time na 9.2. Dapat pares ng sagot dyan sa 86%. Okay? So, syempre, ang mas gusto mo, mas mababang percentage ng non-value added activities. Next, delivery cycle time. Isama mo lang lahat. Delivery cycle time. Yan lahat. Or 9.2, add mo lang yung 3.7, which is 12.9 days. Yun na yun. Diba? Simple lang ng mga topics natin. Next. During the most recent month at kakayanin mo, corporation, queue time is 7.8, inspection 0.3, process time 1.3, wait time 9.7, and move time 0.7. So, ano yung throughput time? Again, hindi lang kasama yung wait time. So, queue time kasama 7.8, inspection 0.3 kasama, process time 1.3 kasama, wait time yan, di ba? Hindi kasama yung wait time. Move time kasama din 0.7. So, total 10.1 days. So, again, manufacturing cycle efficiency, kunin mo lang si process time. 1.3 divided by the throughput time ng 10.1, which is 13%. Medyo mababa, no? Gusto mo mas mataas pa yan. And percentage ng non-value added activities, you can do this 100% minus manufacturing cycle efficiency 87%. Or i-add mo lang yung mga non-value added activities except wait time. So, add mo yung queue time 7.8, inspection time na 0.3, and process time di kasama, wait time di kasama, move time plus move time na 0.7, which is 8.8. So, divide mo lang yan sa throughput time na 10.1, which is equal yan sa 87%. Okay? And delivery cycle time, add mo lang lahat ng time na nabanggit dito. Yun na yun. So, that concludes our module number 4. Sabi sa inyo, maikli lang to. So, for any questions, just send me a message sa Messenger. Either through group chat or PM from Mondays to Fridays from 8 to 5 PM. Thank you.